Okay, so on the bench today we have somebody's tail lights out of their spoiler. Uh, Apparently, well, that's probably the issue right there. You can see, you can see what's going on here. Oh yeah. Oh, big time. Oh, okay, well, let's fire it up with 12 volts and see what happens. Why am I not surprised? Why? Oh, look at that. Yep, bad solder joint for sure, and I wouldn't doubt that these have probably taken a shit somewhere right here. So that's right off the bat. And that is, yeah, look at, oh, you can see the bad solder joint. Let me get in there. Focus on that. Come on, you can do it. No, you don't wanna. It's going to be a little difficult to get in there, but you can see that, can you not? There we go. Yeah, that's definitely a bad solder joint right there. Yep. Okay. And as for this side, let me just, what are we talking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 of them across this side. Let's just turn that off for a second. Let's see what we have in the back here. Oops, sorry, not shot here. Look at the corrosion on the traces. That's not corrosion. That's where he marked. I think he marked the last one there. Yep. Okay, so first thing we'll do is we'll back out of here. Is we'll repair this side. What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably because that's how they are. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. Yep. So we'll repair this side here. I don't know. I don't like that. If these are bad, and they probably are, I should probably order, oh geez, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 of them. Because those are pretty much bad. Okay, let me clean this up. Let me see what's going on here. So here's your strip, Gary. Let me turn it on. And you can see the ones, let me back out. You can see the ones that work and the ones that don't work. If you look here, if I touch right there, that's because inside corroded. Okay, corroded. Now if I turn it off, you'll see that even the ones that are working will need to be replaced. Corroded. Okay, corroded, okay, corroded, yep, okay, corroded, and that's why. Okie dokie, it's the next day. We got our LEDs from DigiKey here. And I just wanted to go into a little more detail about these. I don't know how, I mean, I can see, let me lock that focus before it goes out of focus here. I can see where it's secured to wherever it is, like whatever sealant is used to seal this LED setup in the spoiler itself. I could see that, like I understand that, but what I don't understand is how it would be so weak. Sorry, I'm trying to get this to focus properly here so that I can show you just, I mean, yeah, they're bad. But they are like bad. I mean, they're rotten. Like, is there something going on? Like, just for example, like this one here. Sorry, which side is it that doesn't work? Or the 4 that doesn't work? That's this side. Sorry, that's this side, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Like, I don't really see any. I mean, I know corrosion got up under here, but I've seen worse. Like, I've seen worse. How did it get that rotten that it's rusted like that? Like, how did it get that bad? Is it from power washing? Like, is that what it is? I have never seen LEDs get so rusted like that. Even ones that are out in the elements constantly, like the one in your garden lights and stuff like that. Sure, they get rusty, they get bad, but they're literally constantly in the elements and getting rained on it, like on a flat surface where the solar panel is, you know what I mean? And of course they're not perfectly sealed, so they get water in them, and they sit outside in the winter, and snow sits on them and melts and freeze and thaw, and like it's constant, right? Whereas this is a spoiler. Like, how thick is the spoiler on top? There's not much sitting on it. I just think that's wild that it's that bad. Like, maybe one on the end, I would totally understand one on the end, you know, where some got in. You know, that I get, but just look at how rotten and rusted that is. Okay, so whatever. Enough babble. Let's open up some LEDs here and see what we got. Okie dokie. So 7 in, and I tell you right now, this is not fun. Not at all, because these were so rusted. I'm losing the legs inside the through-hole mount. I can't even get rid of the rust on the PCB. So I did the best I could to get in there with rubbing alcohol. First I started with a little like PB blaster, just to try to break up some of it, because it was that bad. It didn't look that bad, but it was all hidden underneath. That part of the LED, right around the edges. Look at my fingers, like that's just from rust, touching rust and stuff. But so far, they look good. They look good. They're bright. So I'll just continue this and see you on the other side. And there we go. All done. It wasn't that bad, but it's the rust that was making it bad. Some of these were just so, I mean, you can see the rust. Some of these were just, they were just so bad. And that's what was causing the issue. I was losing legs and losing them inside the through holes of these. It was, yeah, that sucked. But he'll be happy. I mean, they're all evenly lit. They're a little smaller LED. I believe these are, I don't know, 7 millimeter, something like that. And these are 3. They are They are nice. They are super nice. And they are bright. And that's me. Not having a proper ground. Give me 2 seconds here. Where's my screwdriver? I swear that should be my theme. Where's my screwdriver? Where's my this? Oh, come on. Get in there. But yeah, they're nice. They are. They are super bright. I mean, they kind of give off a purplish tinge in the camera, but really I don't know, really they're really red, like red, deep red, like a blood red. Yeah, they're like that red in real life. I don't know why they give off that purplish hue. Yeah, I don't really know how to capture that properly. Hang on 1 second. Yeah, that right there kind of more represents what they look like. It's kind of blown out, but that gives a more representation of, or better representation of what they look like. And they are, I mean, dead on. They are super bright, and I think for brake lights they'll be perfect. Okay, that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, just leave them below, and see you on the next one.